Today, myself Aditya, and I am teaching you a lesson, atom. So, first of all, atom is the smallest particle of any object. Like this pen. This pen is made up of many molecules. But first of all, you tell me that there's a solid, liquid, or gas.
Solid.
It's solid. So, a solid means a solid particle, solid object has many molecule in it which are tightly packed. So this tightly packed molecule will have some atoms.
Please move forward a bit. Zoom the board.
This the smallest particle of this pen, which is atom. It was discovered first by Indian archaeologist in 18,000 BCE, whose name was Kanad. So I want to tell you that Kanath was the first to discover atom, but his discovery um, was not spread worldwide. But he was the first who discovered it. Later, in 18,000, a Greek philosopher discovered it and named it atom. This atom is now the smallest particle of any object. Now, at first of all, we know that atom has three particles in it. At first, we knew that atoms cannot be divided, means it cannot be subdivided. But now we came to know that there is proton, which is positive charged particle, neutron, which is neutral, means it has neither positive nor negative, and electron, which have only negative charged particle. So at first, in the modern era, it was vital to know that what is the smallest particle of this universe. So we came to know that atom was the smallest. But in 1897, a scientist named J.J. Thomas. He was a brilliant scientist. He got a Nobel Prize, and he taught 7 students who also got Nobel Prize. J.J. Thomson. He made an experiment called cathode rays. Cathode means we know that negatively charged pole. He made a tube like this and filled it with gas molecule. And take a negatively charged pole and take a positively charged pole. He observed that gas molecule are present in the tube, so gas atom is already present in here. So he observed that gas atoms are attracted towards the positive charged particle. We know that negatively charged particle will always attract towards the positively charged. So he came to know that the atom are mostly filled up with negatively charged particle, which attracted the positively pole. He then thought of making some models. He made a model like this, and inside it there is all negative, and all the rest of this are positive. This positively charged particle, he called it as proton. But this one is not known as electron. It is known as negatively charged, because electron was not discovered by J.J. Thomas. So he discovered the positive charged particle, and he compared it with a practical example like a watermelon. Like in watermelon, there are many seeds. This seeds, he called it as negatively charged particle, and rest of this means the red one, this he called as proton. So that was the discovery of proton. Now Rutherford, who was the student of J.J. Thomson, he discovered he discovered that all the parts are not protons, means positively charged. Because if we throw something towards an object, if the atoms are positively charged, moreover, so the if this is positive and that is also positive, so the things will repel. So he did a nice job that he made a laser. He made a laser and take a thin foil gold paper and take a screen. Now the laser which have much alpha. Alpha means bigger bigger positively charged rays which gone here and reflected. So most of this reflected as straight, but three like this, and one came 180-degree, which means the atom has few amount of positively charged and all have negatively charged. As we know, the laser has positive, and if the positive is fully around the atom, so the laser will spread, and this didn't happen. One of 18,000 rays repel and others stayed in front. This is the structure made by him, and this he made a structure like this. Here is a plus, means positive sign, and here is a negative. This he made at first. So this was very brilliant idea, and he felt the idea of his teacher, J.J. Thomson, and he was one who discovered the first known atom. Then came Rutherford student Bohr. This Bohr's structure is learned by us now. He discovered that if here is a plus sign, then
Can you go near the boat?
if there is a plus sign, he discovered that if the velocity is more, then the positive and negative will merge and there will be a big explosion. So he created a new model which is till now used, which is like this: positive, full, negative, negative, negative. And here is neutron, means beside positive means proton there is neutron, and other parts has electron. This is the till date. This is the atomic structure which is used till date. So thank you for learning.